Geocentrism is the belief that the Earth is in the middle of the universe, with all other objects simply revolving around it. This idea was largely disproven in the 1600s, though as we've looked further and further through the universe, we've started to come to the realization that perhaps it wasn't completely unfounded. We've discovered thousands of planets and factors more moons, yet not a single one can harbor life. Earth seems so simple, yet there seems to not be any others like it. The perfect combination of water, oceans, protective screens of ozones, magnetic fields, strong dynamo, restorative weather patterns, a well-worthy asteroid protector, and many others is what actually creates the system known as Earth. The most obscure details of our creation is exactly what's integral to our survival today, and much of that history is well documented within the planet itself. Billions of years ago, we were composed of simply a ragtag group of stones across the solar system, coming together, colliding with each other to form a basis of today's ground. A primitive rock bombarded by dozens of others like it, until one gigantic Theia would come to bring the most suffering while ending most of it completely. Large cracks cooled down the system quicker than any other, while leaving a tilted axis and a moving core, releasing more heat quicker, yet beginning the process still seen elevating year over year today. Dozens of phases of odd reproducing chemicals lasting millions of years would eventually lead us to the current Anthropocene. 300,000 years ago, these humans began popping up, bringing their huge brains with them, though it's only within the last 15,000 years that we've really been able to gain a strong foothold on the planet. We came very late in history, and yet we've shifted every aspect of daily life. Most animals revolve around avoiding us, while a growing number of others rely on us entirely. Through chlorofluorocarbons and atomic bombs, we now have the final say on the survival of not just our species, but for all life as we know it. Climate change is the process by which weather patterns shift as a result of large atmospheric changes. It's certainly not a new concept each of our neighbors succumb to its grasp, and while Earth has been hotter and cooler than it is today, it's undeniable that industry impacts it negatively. I don't believe that we will destroy our home. We will find a way out of fossil fuels, but eventually you have to ask yourself, is Earth enough? It's the only planet we've got. What will you do with it?